The interiors of a villa in Minusio, Ticino, facing Lake Maggiore, underwent a profound renovation, and RiFRA furnished the kitchen and 3 bathrooms with the ONE and K.ONE collections. The guiding theme of the design, in line with the client's desires, was to combine the contemporary design of RiFRA's ONE and K.ONE collections with the great elegance and class of the location. The kitchen features an island equipped with a snack counter, facing the column wall. The column part, in a matte lacquer finish, also has internal bases and wall units, with a retractable top that can be closed with folding doors. The island features the characteristic design of the ONE collection, which is also found in the bathroom, with tops, sides, and bases shaped at 45 degrees, accompanying the 25 mm thick doors, also shaped at 45 degrees. The design of the island is completed by the 6 cm MDF base, also shaped at 45 degrees. The bathrooms were furnished with the K.ONE collection, which has the same design as the kitchen, with its characteristic 45 degrees cuts. In the 2 main bathrooms, the furniture includes tops with perfectly shaped integrated sinks, and a mirror with integrated LED lighting. In the guest bathroom, the clients opted for a countertop sink, with a simple but LED backlit mirror. The project was created, produced, delivered, and installed directly by RiFRA Milano through the Swiss branch RiFRA SA. Click on the link, discover more about RiFRA, and download our catalogs and book of realizations.
RiFRA, Kitchens and Beds, direct from Milano.